Hi guys, so this is the package today. I have a screwdriver and a bezel for the G5600 Casio G-Shock G5600. So let's see what we have. So ta-da! This is the bezel. Let me open it. Ta-da! Okay, just joking. Actually, I already changed everything, and this is the finished product. See? So this is the Casio G-Shock G5600, and everything is original except this bezel. Okay, I swapped. This is the original bezel, the black one. Okay, I swapped it with the metal bezel. So you can find this online, especially if you are living here in Singapore. You can find this in Carousel. It only costs about 50 Singapore dollars, about 35 US dollars. And yeah, it's fairly cheap. It looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to exactly do this. So when you buy this from Carousel, please ask these dealers to give you a screwdriver like this. Okay, it's a Phillips screwdriver. These have 4 points. Okay, then what you gotta do with this, you just open the screws right here. See, I just open this, and then the screw here also, here and here. And then when you open this, you be careful because the screw is slightly slanting into the case, so you wouldn't want to screw it in the wrong way, the wrong direction. It opens this way. See, just gonna open one though. There you go, that's the screw. Okay, it's very small, so preferably you have a table, a workstation like this, or you can put this plastic thing that it comes with. You put it there so that it don't go anywhere, because it's very small. If it were to fall on the ground, you'll be in big trouble. Okay, there we go. So this is the hole, right? The screw hole. Put the screw right in. Okay, then make sure the screwdriver is like this and it's slanting towards the case. Okay, and then turn slowly. There you go. Okay, don't tighten it too much. As long as it's flush with the case, then that'll be enough. So that's how you mod your Casio G-Shock G5600E. If you buy a DW5600, you got more choices, because this one is originally made for the DW5600. So they have the silver one, the gold one. I'll post it right here. The silver bezel, the gold one, the black shiny one. Then you have many other things. One looks rusty. There are a few ones that it looks rusty. So you can really shop around and see what you like. There are even diamond crusted ones, but of course I don't prefer that though. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you a only small review about this watch. So because you can watch my full review in another video, I'll post it below. It's about the G5600 series ETA Solar. So that's the full review, but this is just an aesthetic modded review. Okay, so I just mod this, just change the bezel. Now you can see that this bezel is very shiny. All right, it really changes the look of the watch. I only wear this watch during gym or swimming, but now I also wear it to work, because I really like the watch look. You see the watch is very shiny here, and it's shiny and good to look at, but it also collect prints a lot. See my fingerprint. Okay, so the difference between this and the original one, the one if you buy it at a cost point of 500 Singapore dollars, this one is very cheap lah, because the original G-Shock, this one, the G5600, I bought it for $128 plus the bezel, it's $50. So it's 50, 28, 178 178 for this watch, this good looking watch. So the value proposition is high. This is way better than its original brother, which is $500. So you saved a lot. Okay, and then this watch also have a few complications. Of course, the main one, the time, the date. Then you have world time. This is in UTC. And alarm. This one has 5 alarms. Okay. An hourly time signal, stopwatch, and timer. So you got a lot for this watch. Also the tarsal. So I wouldn't mind getting a cheaper watch and then just put on the bezel. You can also do that with the DW5600 series, the much more famous brother than this. And yeah, you can have this, a watch that looks like $1 million, right? It reminds me of the look by what watch? I think it's by Gerald Genta, right? The Royal Oak. Yes, the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, and also the Nautilus, the Patek Philippe Nautilus, right? But this is in a G-Shock. So it's a G-Shock original design. It's the first time that they do it on the metal bezel. Another thing, this watch, it feels way more heavier, because at first it's only 50 grams. Now I bet it's about 90, just because of this metal bezel. So this is how it looks on my wrist. Okay, I like to wear it loose because here in Singapore it's very humid and my wrist expands most of the time. There you go. See, that's how it looks. I like how the watch plays with the light, you know. See that shininess? Wow, it looks expensive. It looks good. That's the best thing about it. Okay, and this one, it surely does turns head. When I ride in the MRT or walk around, I feel proud wearing this on my wrist. It really looks good, and it keeps good time, very good time. So I also have this Seiko watch, SKX. Okay, I really like this watch also. However, sometimes when I go to work, because my work needs me to go outside and do some heavy stuff, I'm really afraid to get this scratched, so I wear this instead. Okay, it's 11:30 here, guys. I'm getting tired, so thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.